So guys, in today's video, it is an update for this battery pack for us, because my previous video I don't have an active balancer and it takes 2 weeks to 3 weeks to wait. This is the 0 volt from negative wire, black, this one. So I start from this point, this terminal, must be 3.3. Here it is. And next 6 volts. It is 6.75. And next 9, 10 volts. And 12, 13.4 volts. So that means I wired correctly. So plug in. I designed 3 terminals, 1, 2, 3. I also do the same as the negative side, 3 terminal. This is the silver charge controller. According to the description, this is MPPT, and the max charging current is 60 ohm. The PB max voltage input is up to 180 volts, which is only real MPPT could handle a higher voltage. So I believe this is real MPPT, and I can also see inside that there is a 3 inductance transformer or a multi-torudal transformer, which I believe that this three type of small transformer managed to handle the voltage and the current. So I believe that this is a real NDPT, even though it's cheap. So this is my inverter. According to this sticker, it's 3,500 watts, but it is only a peak power, and the real power is 1,500 watts, and this is a 12 volts input. So my next video is wiring a small solar setup, a 1.5 kilowatt solar setup. And this hole, I believe that, and the battery I put it there here. That's it. This is 60 EH. So from here I think I could put up to 400 EH, 12 volts, more or less 400 EH. So guys, that's my next video on wiring a small solar setup, a 1.5 kilowatt solar setup. So if you have any questions in regards to my video, kindly please comment to the comment section box, and I will reply as early as my opportunity. Thank you for watching, guys. See you to my next video.